Today, we have something truly special to discuss: the 2000 for Burrow 5-cent coin. Is it a hidden gem in your collection, or just another ordinary coin? Stick around, because we're about to dive into its history, rarity, and most importantly, its current value in today's market. Welcome to Zigzag Coin Action. Let's start. To determine the value of your 2000 for Burrow 5-cent coin, you need to consider several factors. Condition: the better the condition, the higher the value. Mintage: low mintage numbers often lead to higher values. Demand: high demand from collectors can drive up the price. Current market value. Dear friend Snow, let's talk numbers. The value of a 2000 for Burrow 5-cent coin can vary significantly. As of my last knowledge update in September 2022, was valued at 32 euros. Dear friend Shalver, keep in mind that coin values can change over time, so I recommend checking recent auction results or consulting with a coin appraiser for an accurate assessment. Where to sell or trade? If you're looking to sell or trade your coin, there are various platforms to consider: online coin marketplaces, coin shows, and working with reputable coin dealers are some options to explore. Conclusion: so, there you have it. The intriguing story of the 2000 for Burrow 5-cent coin and its current value. Whether you're a passionate collector or stumbled upon this coin by chance, it's essential to understand its worth. Remember, the value of coins can fluctuate, so stay updated and make informed decisions. So dear friends, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more info coin, subscribe Zigzag Coin Action. Take care.